Honda Fit tag light replacement. What's going on, guys? Doing a tag light replacement, and also I'm going to be putting these inside my cabin for the dome light and stuff. But it comes in a 10-pack. Usually you can get these because a lot of the cars have one light bulb. This is a T10 if you put in, and you can of course go to the traditional bulb or the LED. And the reason I chose these LED bulbs here, because as you could see, the connection strip is a solid strip of metal. Now I'll show you what I'm talking about here. This is one I already pulled out. I'll show you because there's two of them on the Fit. I'll show you how to pull it out. But this one I pulled out here. And of course, once you get it removed from your trunk lid, you push these two tabs in, comes out. This is a traditional bulb. Now, as you could see, on a traditional bulb, you have this very thin wire that makes the connection. You see the difference? The solid strip and a thin piece of metal. Solid strip. Alright, so let me show you the difference here. Now, this is a crazy story. And got pulled over because my tag lights were out. Bulbs weren't blown, but what happened is these little tiny little connections were out of place and it wasn't making a good connection. And they weren't lit up. So I did some research to look for different bulbs and different connection strips. There you go. There's the difference. A lot more connection on this than the traditional one. That's why I'm going with these. See the difference? Huge difference. Shit connection, good connection. So yeah, got pulled over because the traditional bulb, the wiring was messed up. Tag light wasn't lit up, get pulled over. And that was it. But anyway, I like these. I'm going with these. These are a lot better lighting too. So right now I'm going to show you how to remove the actual dome from the trunk lid. Okay, so here I am outside, and both of them, on both sides, they are going to slide to the right. Both of them will slide to the right. Easiest way I found is just get a long flathead screwdriver. Of course, take your time, because these could be old and you don't want to crack the whole dome. And just slowly pry it. There you go. And there it is. There's a little connection on the back. It's very difficult trying to do this with one hand. A little connection on the back, little clip. Push on that tab. Dome comes out. Alright, so the same thing. Dome is out. Two gray clips here. Comes out. Traditional bulb. Whatever one you're going to use. There you go. And that's that. And make sure you turn on your lights. Make sure they are working properly. Alright, to reinstall it, all you're going to do is put it back in here in its case. Make sure that's in. As you can see, the little arrow. This is going to be the top of your trunk. This is going to be pointing down, as you can see here. All you're going to do is put it back in the hole and just going to reverse the process. You're going to go to the left. Remember, removals to the right. Look at the little arrow on both sides. And to reinstall it, just slide it over to your left. All right, thanks for watching. Any questions, comments, leave them down below, and I'll get back to you. See you on the next video. See ya.